Hi, I'm Jeremy, and I've got James Fisher with me with Sundance Power Systems. How are you doing today, James?
I'm doing great, Jeremy.
And what we're doing is making FAQ videos based on common questions that people ask when they call in, and just, you guys have been in business for over 30 years.
Nearly 30 years.
Nearly 30 years. Yeah. So let's talk about solar and batteries.
Okay, so batteries are a fascinating topic. There's a wide variety of battery types. There's sort of the old tried and true flooded lead acid batteries and AGM batteries, which still work incredibly well, very dependable, but not maybe as efficient and fast in charging as the more modern lithium ion and lithium iron phosphate batteries. People are familiar with lithium batteries with these electric vehicles and the power tools, for instance. Sundance is the trailblazer in the area with batteries. We've been installing battery systems since day one. Our designers know the best application for each battery type, for each potential system. Now, why would you use a battery? There's various reasons for that. If you're in an area where you get a lot of power outages, for instance, around here there's a lot of wind, people are rural areas, way up on mountaintops, great opportunity to add batteries. There's also other reasons, charging up your batteries and using that power during peak times when the costs are higher on your electricity, for instance. But the bottom line is Sundance knows how to design systems with batteries, and we know how to install them, and we know how to service that system for the life of the system.
And I assume it really comes down to really what somebody's individual needs are. Right. Some people probably want to have multiple days of backup, and some people are more like, if the power goes out, I just want to keep the refrigerator going. So It just depends on your needs. Right,
and that's where we get into what's called load analysis. So our energy consultant will look at exactly how much power you use in your home, really specifically, lighting, refrigeration, all of that. And then we'll determine, okay, if you're using the batteries and you have X amount of power in the batteries, what's the best way to spread that out over what amount of time? And so our guys are very well versed in how to analyze that and how to design the system to meet your needs.
Definitely, and obviously designing the system involves coming out and doing an estimate, looking at everything and sitting down. So if someone wants to learn more, what's the next step?
Go to the website, sundancepower.com. There's all kinds of information. There's some really good sections on all these battery types. There's some project profiles that show some of our systems in action. Or you can just give us a call at 828-645-2080.
Awesome. Thanks so much.
You're welcome.